Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of manually cutting out awkward pauses from your videos? Well, today we are diving into a game-changing feature in wondershare Filmora 14, silence detection. This tool makes it easier than ever to remove silent segments from your footage, saving you time and effort. Let's check it out. So periods of silence can disrupt the flow of your video, and it's not always easy to manually find them and edit them. Okay, so that's where Filmora's 14 silence detection comes in. The smart tool automatically detects moments of silence and removes them based on your criteria, so your video can keep viewers engaged and focus on the content. Okay, with just a single click, you can access the silence detection tool from the editing menu. I'm gonna show it now. Okay, so simple. Just go into your video. Okay, the video I just downloaded here, and now right click, and the silence detection is right here. Okay, once you click on it, okay, with just simple click you can access it right from editing menu and simply adjust the settings to fit your needs, and Filmora will do the rest. Okay, so volume threshold, okay, there we go. You can customize how the tool detects silence, by adjusting parameters the way you like it. Okay, like a minimum duration, for a pauses to be considered as a silent, and sensitivity. Once you're all set, okay, you just have to go and hit the apply. All right, so let's say that I want to, like, a minimum duration would be like about, I don't know, 0.3 seconds. Okay, volume threshold would be like, the minimum will be 14. Softening buffer, okay, let's do 0.2, and we are ready to analyze that. Okay, and now the magic starts happening, and the Filmora, okay, scans through your video, automatically identifying silence parts and cutting them out, leaving you with smooth, seamless footage. It's that easy. Okay, and the best part, it saves you tons of time. No more hunting through your timeline, no more tedious editing, just a streamlined, efficient video creation. Okay, so I'm pretty sure you're gonna see the difference while using this particular tool. Okay, so the results in the video are much more uninterrupted. Okay, gives you uninterrupted flow. It's perfect for vlogs, tutorials, gaming, highlights, and more. Okay, it's many use cases. Okay, once I found this feature, okay, it's really game changing. Okay, because it can gives you additional benefits. It saves you time. Look how many of those silences have been found. Okay, and you can go and also do them. You can do everything you can cut manually, even if you want. Okay, and once you are ready with this, okay, you just go and export to the timeline. And silence detection is just one of the many powerful features in Filmora 14, from split screen editing to motion tracking, speed ramping, and even AI tools like Smart Cutout and Auto Beat Sync. Filmora is your go-to video editing solution. So whatever you are, content creator, vlogger, gamer, or educator, Filmora Silent Detector is here to make your editing faster and easier. Ready to give it a try? Download Filmora and experience the power of silence detection for yourself. Click the link below to start editing smarter, not harder. Thank you very much for watching.